Well, I leaving me home cause I done ready. Ready to get on board. Ready to see my friends. I know much right.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, we are at a different location today, and today we are, by the title you can tell basically that we are by Ducky's, the roast fish specialist down in Mafeking, Mayaro, Ortoire River area. We took about 2 hours, 2.5 hours roughly to get here, so I'm hoping that it's worth it. We didn't get lobster because we took red snapper, so let's see how this is. Okay guys, let's taste test this bad boy. It's pretty good. I'm gonna finish up and I'll get back to my thoughts. So we're back in the car now from Ducky's seafood outside restaurant, for lack of a better word, and we're just heading back to our home. We left home around 11:10 and we got down here at about 1:20 so we made a little trek to come down to visit the infamous Ducky's to see if it lives up to its name and taste, because he's pretty popular in Trinidad and Tobago. We're going up a hill, so it might be a little bit bumpy. I do apologize. All in all, I find it was really good. Had a lot of flies though. That was the biggest turn off for me. But the taste and everything was really cool. It was really good. It was tasty. How you find it tasted?
Yeah, it tasted really good. Something I didn't expect it. I thought it would be a pop down based on what a lot of people say, but it was really good.
Yeah, I agree. It was really good. But I think based on the sauces that you put, that kind of adds to the end product. Because basically what he does, he cuts up fresh seasoning like chives, probably pimento, puts a little bit of pepper in there for flavoring, and put it over a metal sheet that's heated by wood and fire to give the roast effect. So while we were there, we were able to see them see the entire operation. So basically what happens is the fishermen bring the fish back to Ducky's. So they not only do the roast fish there and the roast lobster and shrimp, but they actually do sell the fish, because that is entirely how the business model happened. From like conversations and stuff, Ducky would have mentioned that when the fishermen bring back their, I guess, catch for the day, if they don't make a lot, they would use the cheaper fish and roast it there as a meal and and basically that is how the idea of doing the roast seafood by the establishment came about. And we were able to see them clean some red snappers, we were able to see them clean some lobster. So now that I know how to clean lobster, maybe the next time around I'll do a little better job of doing the cleaning of the lobster. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, I would link my how to cook lobster video for you to see. But all in all, it was a really cool trip. We haven't done one of this in forever. I don't think we've ever. Oh yeah, we did one time. We went to Togo, but it wasn't for like a specific thing. It was just for us to relax. I think last time for our anniversary as well, no? Yes, I think it's becoming a tradition for us to take a long trip in Trinidad for our anniversary. So this year we decided to go to Ducky's, and it was pretty cool. If you're a newbie, thank you so much for subbing. If you haven't yet subscribed, please click the subscribe button and like the video, share it, and feel free to comment. Let me know if you all like this type of content, because this is really in my element. I love going places, I love doing a lot of fun stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below, let me know if you like this type of content, and yeah, bye.